Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install additional watch faces on this smart band. So let's get started. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on this smart band, your smart band needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. In the application, you will see the Health page. Now tap on Devices, and here on the Devices page, you should see your HUAWEI Band 11. Tap on it to select it, and now scroll through this page and look for the option called Watch Faces, the category called Watch Faces. Tap on More to open it. And now you can scroll through the list of different categories of watch faces, look for something you like. As you can see, some of them are behind a paywall, or rather most of them. Some of them are free. You need to browse for the ones that you like. And if you're willing to pay for them, just select the ones you like, and then you will need to add your card, I believe, to pay for them, which is kind of a bit annoying. But if you're willing to pay, go ahead. There's some free ones too. So if you're patient enough, you can browse through them and find the free ones. Because for some reason, at least on my phone, the free category doesn't display anything, no results. But I'm pretty sure there's free watch faces, because if I go to, let's say, Discover, maybe Discover was wrong. Go Home, select Dynamic, for example. This one works as well. Widgets. Won't display anything as well. So if we scroll down, come on. I'm pretty sure there's some like free ones here. Black. Oh, here we have a free one. So there's some free, but they're kind of hidden. You need to look for them for some reason. I don't know why this app does this. But anyway, find the watch face you would like to install. And once you find it, you can tap on it. Tap on Install. And once it's done installing, it will be applied on your smart band, like this. And you can install multiple watch faces. And once you're done installing them, you can also check them by tapping on Mine here. And here you have the list of watch faces installed on your smart band. And you can tap on View More to open rest of them. That's from all the devices connected to my account, I think. So we're not interested in here. But we can tap on the watch face. You can remove it if you run out of space on your smart band. Or if you want to apply it, you can also tap on Apply. Or Install if it's not installed on your smart band. Because this was installed in my previous band. That's why it's not installed. But if I tap on Install, it will install and apply as well. Like this. Okay. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this smart band. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.